Meet the future of key cutting. The Xhorse XC-TWINS is here. Built with a full aluminum body for strength and durability. Its newly designed double cutter lets you work faster and more efficiently than ever. With brand new pressure sensor technology, every cut is precise. Advanced AI optical recognition makes identifying key types effortless, while the all-purpose clamps adapt to every job. This isn't just another machine. It's the next step in locksmithing. Pre-order today, only at locksmithkeyless.com.